Hello students, so today we are starting with exercise 6E. So before starting that, there are few things that I want to explain. So last time we have done exercise 60, right? So in exercise 60, question number 6B, it was really confusing for some of the students. So I will explain it, okay? So first let me just copy all the question. 6B 112 into 4 minus 25 into 6 minus 14 into 8 plus 3 into 300. So there are two ways as how you can solve these problems. So let me show you. So as you know, first we need to copy all the question as it is. 14 into 8 plus 3 into 300. So first comes multiplication. So we'll multiply these problems. So 112 into 4 will be 448 minus 25 into 6 will be 150 minus 14 into 8 will be 112 plus 3 into 300 will be 900. So here you have to segregate all the sums from in one side and negative sign in one side. So first comes 448 plus 900 minus 150 minus 112. So you'll add these numbers. So 448 plus 900 will be 1348 minus 150 minus 112. So here what you can do is, okay, if you have double minus sign, 1348 minus 150 minus 112. So first you will minus these two numbers. 1348 minus 150 will be 1198 minus 112. Then you minus subtract these two number. Okay, so the answer will be 1086. So this is one of the step as how you can solve these problem. Or I'm going to show you the other step. Let me just copy all the question first. So as you know, first we have to copy all the question as it is. 3 into 300. So first we'll multiply these numbers. So it's the same thing. 448 minus 150 minus 112 plus 900. So you will segregate all the numbers. Plus sign in one side and subtraction sign in one side, followed by 150 minus 112. So here what you can do is you can first add these two numbers. Okay, so it's the same. 1348. So earlier what we have done, we have subtract these two number, right? First we have subtracted these two number, then followed by this number, right? So here what you can do is you can add these two number. Okay, so there is a particular formula for that. So the formula is plus plus equals to plus, minus plus equals to minus, minus minus equals to plus, plus minus equals to minus. Okay, so whenever you have plus sign is always plus. So negative plus positive equals to minus, sorry, negative. Negative plus negative equals to positive, and positive and negative equals to negative. Okay, plus plus plus, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So here what you can do is you can add these two numbers, because minus plus equals to plus, right? So 1348. So you add these two numbers. So 150. Just a second, okay? Since this side will be your rough side. So 150 minus 112. So here will be 10. 10 minus 2 will be, sorry, you have to add 2. 5 plus 1 will be 6. 1 plus 1 will be 2. So 262. But here what you can do is you have to write minus, okay? You don't have to write plus sign, okay? And then you'll minus these two number. So 1348 minus 262. So here will be 6. 14 minus 8. Here will be 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 1. So 1086. So these are the two steps as how you can solve these problems. So since some of the students have done these in this way, okay, fine. It both of the ways fine, but this one is little, difficult for you all to understand. So you can do it in this way, fine. So now we'll start with exercise 6E. So we are starting with exercise 6E. Question number 1. So in a garden there are 164 rows of plants. If there are 275 plants of each row, calculate the number of plants in that garden. So here we have to calculate the total number of plants in that particular garden. Okay, so first you'll write exercise 6E, question number 1. You'll write the question, okay? Don't forget to write the question. Solution. So here we can write number of rows in a garden. So there are 164 rows in a garden. If there are 275 plants in each row, so number of plants in each row equals to how many? 275. So we have to calculate the total number of plants in that garden. So total number of plants equals to, we'll write 275 into 164. Okay, so equals to 275 into 164. So you multiply these. First you multiply these number from with 4, then 6 and 1. Okay, then you will write the answer. And question number 2, solution. The cost of pair of shoes is rupees 979. So The cost of a pair of shoes is 979. What will be the cost of 173 pairs of such shoes? So we have to find out the cost of 173 pairs of such shoes. So first you'll write cost of a pair of shoes equals to rupees. Don't forget to write rupees 979. The cost of 173 pairs of shoes equals to rupees, sorry, not rupees, okay, 979 into 173. So here you can do the rough work and then you can write the answer. Fine. Then comes question number 3, solution. In a state there are 23 national parks. Each national park has 242 animals. How many total animals are there in national parks in that particular state? So here what you can write is, okay, so here we need to find total animals. Okay, how many total animals are there in national parks in that particular state? So in that particular state, how many animals are there? Okay, so first you need to write number of national park in a state equals to how many? 23. Then number of animals in each park equals to 242. So you need to find total number of animals equals to 242 into 23. So here you can do the rough work, 23, then you write the answer out here. Okay, so for homework, you can do question number 4 and 9. Okay, so 4 and 9 you have to do it by yourself. Fine, I hope you all understood.